Hello Payie, this is Aaron from Voss Motors. I'm making this video especially for you. This is the 2009 Lexus RX350. It currently has just over 106,000 miles on it. The asking price is $11,888 plus HST and licensing. Here at Voss Motors, we replace the tires and fix the brakes with all new brakes on the Lexus. And we cleaned the outside. It comes very clean, as you can see. It is black on the outside, has a black leather interior, has power windows, power seating, comes with navigation, AC, heating. The fog lights have been fixed, four-wheel drive. It's known for its ease on how it drives and is very affordable and very good on gas. If you'd like to come into Voss Motors to take a test drive, you're more than welcome to. If you have any further questions, you can contact me at 905-660-2901. My extension is 213. I'd like to thank you for your time and I hope you have a great day.